Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Klaviyo with WordPress. So first let's go to jp.com and click create a app, and then select your trigger. So our trigger will be Klaviyo. So now all you have to do is select the event and then sign into your Klaviyo account and fill in the details and then authorize. Now let's select our action. So our action will be WordPress, and yeah, let's go and select our event, which is create post, and then click continue and then sign into your WordPress as well, and then you're just few clicks away from connecting Klaviyo with WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on another one.